Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and it is time to fill these nails. If you remember, I did a gel ombre and those were the last two nails left because I peeled all of them off. It has been 2 weeks and my dip powder could have gone for the 3 weeks, but this gel only lasted for 2 weeks. So right here I am just practicing some nail art and getting some inspiration for this set. So I have never done a nail fill before. I always take off my nail set and do a complete new one. So this is going to be very different. So right now I am just taking this Kiss E file and gently removing the bulk of my nail. But I only did 2 layers of the dip powder last time, so it wasn't that hard. And as you can see, there is the growth up there. And I'm taking this 180 and removing where there are some lifts. So here's what it looks like after alcohol removes the dust. And I'm gonna go ahead and get ready with the #1 bond. And since I am doing a fill, I'm only applying this to my natural nail plate. And with any powder, you'll want to prep it by just giving it a quick twirl. And I'm going in with my base. I will definitely be filling my nails more often, and I should have been doing that from the beginning. It definitely took down my manicure time by 45 minutes because I didn't have to sit there and soak them off with acetone, plus drying my nails out with acetone. It was just a win-win for me. I really liked it. I thought it was going to be hard. That's why I was avoiding it this whole time, but it wasn't. And I am very impressed with that Kiss E-file that I purchased from CVS. The nail drill bits that it comes with, yeah, they suck, but there is one that doesn't, and it was the one that I was using. It definitely takes down acrylic, well, my dip powder at least, and it shapes my nail and it takes any bulk away. I really love that Kiss E-file. It works really well for me. Alright, so I am just building my nail back up, and I went from the 3/4 quarter down, gradually going up to my cuticle, and I'm building my structure that way. I am noticing that my apex is actually there when I fill it versus when I build it from a natural nail. So I see a cute little apex and I really like that. So I'm going to wipe this off. Then I'm going to go in with the second coat of the clear dip powder. Let me know in the comments below if you get nail fills or if you start over completely every time. Alright, now wipe that off, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with my color. And I'm only going to put this on my thumb, my index finger, and my pinky, leaving the 2 fingers in the middle open for gel. I'm going to do 2 accent nails today. I am using Kiarasky's dip powder in Night, and I will list all the products in the description below. Alright, so wipe that off, and now I'm going to take my clear dip powder and encapsulate the fingers that I put the Night on, so when I go in and buff, it's going to shape the clear powder and not the Night powder. And I'm going to go in with the Seal Protect for the last time, and this is going to cure essentially the dip powder and get ready for filing and shaping. And right here I'm going to be using my 180 grit hand file and shaping away. I wanted to show you the full process of me filling my nails because I have never done it before, so if you all have any tips and tricks, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And if you are wondering how I prepped my nails, I do have a video on that, and I will link it in the description as well. After I file and shape, I use the Seal Protect for the second and last time, and this is going to fully cure my manicure. And I'm going to go ahead, this is what they look like after the Seal Protect, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Kiarasky's top coat. I cannot get enough of this system. I love it. So now I'm going to buff the 2 fingers in the middle to get ready for the Kiarasky's gel base coat. It is so weird switching from dip to gel because of the way the product feels. They're both just so different. So yes, but I do like that gel you can move and clean up before your cure, whereas with dip you have to work really fast. So you get to really perfect the gel application, which I like. So for the base coat, I cured for 30 seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with my color, and today I'm going to be using Kiss and Make Up, which is an ombre glow, and I'm going to put a very light coat on. The first thin layer. Cap the tips, and I grabbed a little toothpick right here to actually get into the little corners, and I'm going to invest in a dotting tool. I think dotting tools would be very useful in gel applications. This will never get old. I love seeing the color change. So right here I'm going to attempt a ombre with ombre colors, and I watched on Kiarasky's YouTube, which I totally messed up. I was supposed to do this process first, but as you saw, I applied a full layer of XOXO, and then my second coat of color, I'm actually doing the ombre with Fairy Tale Romance and XOXO. Oh, it just didn't work. I should have done this the first time. But yeah, so I'm taking this brush and I'm smoothing out the application where the 2 colors meet, and I'm also going to cure this for 30 seconds. So since I didn't do it right the first time, I'm just going to go ahead and apply Kiss and Make Up fully and not even worry about Fairy Tale Romance. And for my next manicure, I will try that technique. However, I am loving this color. And on to my favorite part, which is clear jelly stamping. Love, love, love these products. And right here I am using the collaboration plate between Clear Jelly and Talia. This is my favorite plate. It was an image that I used on my practice demo tips. If you all remember that video, I am taking one of those nail accents and I'm applying it to my mani today. I love these big floral images. They're just beautiful and unique, and it looks like I freaking drew it on my finger, but I didn't. It was with just the flick of this clear stamper. Let me know in the comments below if you all have messed with these products, if you like them, if you stamp, or if you are a natural nail artist and you freehand it. I am also going to be teaching myself how to freehand nail art, so those are on videos to come, but for right now, I'm loving stamping. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. The process is so therapeutic to me, so I am just going to let you all watch and listen to some music, and I'll be back when we top coat it. So right here I am taking off that purple lavender. I just was not feeling it, and I'm only going to be keeping the green leaves, which turned out much better. And we're going to go in with the non-wipe top coat. And something that I absolutely love about gel is their top coat, because it does not smear or smudge my nail art. Whereas with Kiarasky's dip powder and their dip powder top coat, it smears like no other. And with the gel, there is no smearing or smudging, which I love. I mean, look at that. You just run over it like it's nobody's business. So for the top coat, I'm going to cure that for a complete 60 seconds. And here is the final results on what they look like. So after my manicure, I'm going to take this thick moisturizer and lather up my hands for good moisturization. And here is the final results. Let me know what you guys think. This is my first time actually doing a cohesive nail art design. Let me know if you spot the differences between my two hands. I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, I completely did a clear set on my left hand, and I forgot to put the night dip powder on my thumb, index, and pinky. So the only thing I had close to that night dip powder was Clearjellystamper's holographic silver. So on my left hand, I have holographic Clearjellystamper polish, and then on my right hand, I have the night dip powder. And here I am doing the ombre color changing, which I cannot get enough of. I think that beautiful fuchsia pink is just so cute. And the pale pink is right up my alley. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate that. If you all want a specific type video, let me also know, and I would love to film that for you. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend. And let me know if you like the holographic or the dip powdered night. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.